going on? Hey y'all, welcome back to Dollar Tree Tuesdays. Thank y'all all for stopping by. And of course, today is Tuesday, so I'm going to show y'all what I picked up at the Dollar Tree. To a different Dollar Tree this time around. Which one did I go to? About 40 minutes away because I was in another city over the weekend for Valentine's. So you're probably seeing this video several weeks after the fact, but I just wanted to mention that I have been going to the different Dollar Trees. They had the Huggies wipes, and I have never seen these. These are the Huggies Simply Clean Wipes, fragrance free. And we get 40 in a pack for $1. I should have probably grabbed more of these. I don't know what I was thinking. But I got 2 packs. And if y'all remember in one of my thrift store Thursdays where I had the baby warmer for the wipes, well, this is what it's for. And you just put the wipes in, of course, out of the package. And his little bottom is going to be so warm when his mommy and daddy goes to change him. So yes, I still have that sitting there. And then I found Cherry Blossom bath bombs. This is a personal item. I only picked up one in this shopping trip. So I've never seen the Cherry Blossoms. I've always seen the vanilla, I think. And they had a lavender, but I have never seen the Cherry Blossoms. And I don't know why I didn't get 2 again, because my husband was rushing me. But I got 3, and this is the brand. It says Spa Naturals. So I'll let you know we get a lot of fizz with these. And then they're starting to put out these nice, it says Margarita on the Rocks, and it gives the instructions. On the front is green. It says ingredients: tequila, triple sec, lime juice, 5 ice cubes, coarse salt, lemon wedge, and it just, gives you everything that you need to know how to make a margarita. And then on the back, I got 2 so I can read you. Then the one on the back says frozen margarita, and then it has the ingredients as well. So you will see these coming up on a fabulous tablescape. So I thought these are really, really, really nice for, $1. And then I found this cute Happy Easter with the little, it has a little piece of cotton on it. I thought that was adorable. And instead of all those red trucks, it has a pink truck. I just love it. I should have got another one of these because my Dollar Tree hasn't even put this out yet. And however, even though I'm going to use it for, Easter, but when I'm all done with it, you'll see a DIY how I'm going to transform this because, I love pink is my color. I love it. And whenever I get my she shed, like I always keep telling y'all, or I get my craft room, it's really going to be the color of the truck. So I thought that was really, really cute. And I may go back and get another one. But I have to figure out how I'm going to redo the truck. And stay tuned for that. Even with the sign is nice, and the sign is detachable as well. Okay. And lastly, now I am into my Barbies. I found the miniature Pop Star Barbie. These are the miniature ones, and they actually have, the 12-inch Barbies in with her. And the ballerina Barbie. These are nice. to put like on the birthday cake for your daughter. She's a ballerina, the pop star one. And then they had the Chef Barbie. You see her? She was, look at her knees. So this is really cute. And I plan on using these in our doll houses that I make. And we have a toy store in our dollhouse. So these will be in our dollhouse for the Barbies. These are like toys for them. So for $1, I said, why not? Let me just get them. So I spent a total of $9.61. And just making sure that's all I grabbed for, this is all I grabbed for this week's Dollar Tree. So if you are new to the channel, thank you so much. And if you're not, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment. I love the comments. I love to converse back and forth with everyone. And don't forget to double tap the bell so you'll get notifications when I upload my Dollar Tree Tuesday series, my thrift store Thursday series, and then occasionally you'll get my Walmart Wednesdays, and of course my tablescapes. Mostly I do a lot of DIYs here on this channel and tablescapes, and a lot of shopping, as y'all can see. I would appreciate it if y'all would stop back over to my lifestyle channel that's called Living My Best Life at 50 with Raquel. And on that channel we get down to the nitty-gritty and discuss things that are going on in our lives, like physical and mental abuse, weight loss, sleep apnea. I do a lot of road trips, etc., etc. So go on over, hit that bell, also subscribe to that channel, and then come on back and make sure that you stay tuned for any upcoming events that I may be collaborating with other YouTubers. And once again, as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next video.